Hi everyone, thank you for joining. Today's video is just a quick video to show you how I make my embeds to decorate the tops of my cold processed soap. The colors I'll be using for the embeds are peacock blue from Micah's and More and cosmetic purple from Micah's and More, and a little bit of pitch black from Micah's and More as well. I'm using the double boiler method to melt the soap. And once that's all melted, I'll bring you back and show you the next step. Okay, it's just about finished melting. I'm just gonna try to stir this last little piece until it's fully melted. And you can see bubbles forming on the top. The way to get rid of those is just to spritz it with some rubbing alcohol. All right, so I got that all melted down, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add the color and fragrance oil. By the way, I have a blueberry fragrance oil in here that the colors are mixed with. Hopefully you can see that well. I think this is going to be dark enough. I don't think I need to add any black to it. Yeah, I think that's a good color for blueberries. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my mold. I have some more melt and pour soap melting down because I'm also going to make some leaves. So I made a little too much, so I'm gonna have to remelt this down. It'll harden up and then I'll remelt it down and make more once these have hardened. I'm gonna stick this mold in the fridge to let it harden. I just realized that I am low on blackberry embeds, so I went ahead and split the rest of that blueberry melt and pour soap in half and added some black, and now I'm going to make some more blackberry embeds just so I can have them prepared already for another soap. The blueberries are in my freezer. They should be ready in about 15 minutes or so. And then I'll use the remaining soap that I split off to make a few more blueberries. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and make some leaves to put on top of the soap with the blueberries. I've already melted down a little bit of the melt and pour soap, and these are the molds I'm going to use. I got these off of Amazon, and I'm going to be making this leaf here. I have enough of the other leaves, but I ran out of these leaves, this shape, I should say. So I'm gonna add this hunter green mica from Micah's and More. I mixed it with a little bit of grapeseed oil, and I'll just add that to the soap and get that stirred up and pour it into the mold. Alrighty, so like I said, I'm going to use this shape. And these are so shallow, it's easy to overpour. some new molds so I can make bigger leaves. But these are cute. And they came in a 2-pack, and I want to say it was less than $5, so can't beat that with a stick. Looks like I'm gonna have some more, so I'll go ahead and make some of the other shapes as well, because I have a fall soap that I make, and I can use it on the top of that soap. Okay, so I took the blueberries out of the freezer, and I'm just gonna check them and see if they are ready. They've been in there probably about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the mold around the sides, and I'll have to kind of just clean off what will be the bottom of the embeds. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in here. Oops. Yeah, they're ready, and that's a good color. I will split them up and clean them up. Okay, so now I'm melting down the rest of that blueberry melt and pour soap, so I could go ahead and make some more blueberries. And I'll bring you back when this is finished melting. While I'm waiting for that to melt down, it looks like the blackberries are pretty much finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop these out of the mold. Hopefully these come out a little easier. Oh yeah, these are perfect. Okay, perfect. All right, the blueberry is completely melted, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour that. This mold has 25 cavities, so hopefully I can get about 50 blueberries. Okay, I got the blackberry melt and pour soap melted down, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rest of these. This mold has 23 cavities. Let's see how many I get. Okay, so the first time I got 23 blackberries, and this time I got 9 with the leftover soap. So I have a total of 32 blackberries. Okay, so I went ahead and unmolded the rest of the embeds off camera. Here are the blueberries. A couple of them I didn't fill up the mold or the cavity completely, so they're only like half blueberry, but they'll still work. And then here are the blackberry and the leaves. thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also share this and follow me on social media. I'll leave all of my links in the description button below. Thank you. Be blessed.